Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to connect Xbox controller to PC to play Fortnite. Open your PC, then go to Windows, search bar, then type in blue. Now click on Bluetooth and open it. Now turn on the Bluetooth. Now click on Add Device. Now click on Bluetooth. Now press and hold the control sharing button until X icon light blinks. Now click on your Xbox Bluetooth name from PC. Now go to the Fortnite game. Then go to Profile from top right. Then go to Settings. Then now go to Controller Settings. You can adjust controller settings, then go to controller mapping to customize the controller buttons. By following the steps, you can connect Xbox controller to PC to play Fortnite.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.